Hello everyone. Today we will learn multiplication of fractions. In multiplication of fraction, we simply multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Let's take one example for this. Here two fractions 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are given and we have to multiply these two fractions. So we simply multiply numerator of this fraction and denominator of this fraction. When we multiply 1 by 4, we have 4, and when we multiply 3 by 5, we have 15 in the denominator. So our fraction becomes 4 upon 15. In this way, you can solve all the multiplication problem of fraction. Now start exercise 2.2. In first question of exercise 2.2, it is given that which of the drawing A to D show. In this question, we have to match A to D. So here some fractions are given which are written in the Roman numeral, and some drawings are given which are also mentioned in the alphabetic manner, alphabetics. First part is to multiply by 1 upon 5. It means from A, B, C and D, we have to choose an option in which two figures are given and each figure have only 1 upon 5th part shaded. So look at the figure, look at the part D in which two circles are given, and each circle have only 1 upon 5th parts are shaded. So A match with D. In second question, to multiply by 1 upon 2. So from the given option, we find an option in which two drawings are given and each drawings have 1 upon 2 part shaded. So look at the drawing B, part B, in which two squares are given and each square have only 1 upon 2 parts shaded. So second part of this question match with B part. In third part, it is given that 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3. So we have to find a drawing in which an option in which 3 drawings are given and each drawings have only 2 upon 3 parts are shaded. Look at the drawing A in which 3 circles are given and each circle have only 2 parts are shaded out of 3 parts. So third part matches with A. Now move to our fourth part. In fourth part, 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. For this, we have to find an option in which 3 drawings are given and each drawing have only 1 upon 4th parts shaded. For this, we match this option with C part in which 3 circles are given and each circle have only 1 upon 3rd parts are shaded. In this manner, you complete your first question and second question. Now move to our third question, and third question is multiply and reduce to the lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. And first part of this question is 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5. As I mentioned earlier that in multiplication of fraction, we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. In the case of a whole number in which denominator are not mentioned, then we write 1 in the denominator of the whole number. because we can write 7 as 7 upon 1, 3 as 3 upon 1, 2 as 2 upon 1, and so on. So after multiply 7 by 3, we have 21 in the numerator, and after multiply 1 by 5, we have 5 in the denominator. This fraction is an improper fraction, and we reduce this fraction into mixed fraction. For reducing this fraction into mixed fraction, we divide 21 by 5. 5 4s are 20, and remainder is 1. So we write 4 complete parts, it means 4 whole, 1 upon 5. We simply follow this improper to mixed fraction by this arrows. First we write 4, then we write 1, and at last we write 5. Now move to its second part. Second part of third question is 4 whole 1 upon 3. 4 multiplied by 1 upon 3. And we multiply 4 by 1 upon 3. Again 4 is a whole number and 1 upon 3 is a fraction. So first we write 1 in the denominator of the 4 because we can write 4 as 4 upon 1. Then we simply multiply these two fractions, numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. After multiplying 4 by 1, we obtain 4 in the denominator, and after multiplying 1 by 3, we obtain 3 in the numerator. Here 4 upon 3 also an improper fraction, so we have to reduce this fraction into mixed fraction. For this again we divide 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3 and remainder is 1. Again follow the arrows and write this fraction into improper one. So it is 1 whole 1 by 3. By this manner you can solve all the rest of the part of third question. Now move to fourth question. Fourth question is said first part 1 upon 2 of the circle in the box A. In question number 4, some parts are given in Roman numerals form and some figures are given in the alphabet. So in first part we have to shade half of the circle in the box A. Box A contain and we shade 1 upon 2 of this 12 circle. First we multiply 12 by 1 and 2 by 1. So we have 12 upon 2. After reducing this fraction into simpler form, into short form, we have 6. So we shade only 6 circle in the figure A. In second part, it is given that 2 upon 3 of the triangle in the box B. We have 9 triangle in B box and we have to say 2 upon 3 of 9. First we write 2 upon 3 of means multiply. Please note that of is equal to multiply. Where you see of written in the question, you have to multiply these two quantity. So 2 upon 3 multiply by 9. 9 2s are 18 and 3 1s are 3. So after reducing this fraction we get 6 and we have to shade 6 triangle in the box B. In third part we have to shade 3 upon 5th of the square in the box C. box C contain 15 square, and we have to set 3/5 of the square in the box C. So 3/5 of 15 and 3/5 of means multiply. So 3/5 multiply by 15. After multiply 3 by 15, we have 45 in the numerator, and after multiply 5 by 1, we have 5 in the denominator. After dividing 45 by 5, we have 9. So we set it only 9 square which are in the box C. Let's move to our question number 5th, and in question number 5th, find 1/2 of 24 and 46. In A part, we have to find 1/2 of 24 and 46. So 1/2 of 24. As we all know, of means multiply. So 1/2 multiply by 24. First we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 24 multiplied by 1 is 24 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So we have 12. 1/2 of 46. In second part, we have to find 1/2 of 46. So 1/2 of means multiply 46. Again multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So we have 23 as our result. Now you can solve rest of the parts of 5th question by yourself. Move to our next question, question number 6, and in question number 6, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. And first part of the question is 3 multiplied by 5 whole 1/5. First we reduce this improper fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 5 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, so it is 25 by 5, and then we multiply this 25 by 5 by 3. So we can write 3 as 3/1, and then we multiply this 3/1 by 26/5 by 26/5. 3 multiplied by 26 and 1 multiplied by 5. So we have 78/5, and it is improper fraction. For reducing this fraction into mixed fraction, we have to divide 78 by 5. 5 ones are 5, and here we have 28. 5 5 are 25, and remainder is 3. So it is 15 whole 3/5. B part of this question, 5 multiplied by 6 whole 3/4. Again, first we reduce this mixed fraction into improper one. So it is 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So it is 27 by 4, and we have to multiply this 27 by 4 by 5, and we can write 5 as 5/1. 5 multiplied by 27 and 1 multiplied by 4. After multiplying, we have 135, and it is divided by 4. For reducing this fraction into mixed fraction, we divide 135 by 4. 4. So we have 33 whole 3/4 as our answer. Now solve rest of the part of the 6th question by yourself, and also 7th question by yourself. Move to our next question, question number 8, and question number 8 is Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. In part A, we have to find how much water did Vidya drink, and part second, we have to find what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink. In part A, we have to find how much water Vidya drank. So first we write bottle contained is equal to 5 liters of water. Vidya drink is equal to 3 upon 5 of the water, and bottle contained 5 liters. So 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5, and it is 2 liter. In next part, we have to find what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink. For this, first we have to find how much water Pratap drink. Vidya drink 2 liters, so Pratap drink 5 minus 2 is 3 liters of water. And we write this in the form of fraction, and in the fraction it is 3 upon 5. Thank you.